So today we are going to solve the worksheet 11. Now you have to see the page number 69. So we are solving the questions. You see the section D worksheet 11. We have already solved. Section A, fill in the blanks. B, write T for true and the F for the false. And C, take the right answer. Today we are going to solve the take the answer the following. Section D. So first question: how is soil formed? The answer is soil is formed by weathering of rocks. Soil is formed by weathering of rocks. Second question is see, why is soil so important to us? So soil is important for us because first Veroden, it helps in germination of the seeds. Second, different plants can grow in soil and it is used for making earthen pots. So in bracket, you can write here about the clay soil because clay soil is used for making the earthen pot. Clay soil. So it is used for making the earthen pot, and you have also seen in the village kacha house that is made up of only the soil. So kacha house and the pakka house, both type of the houses are there. So houses are made up of the soil. Soil is used for making the bricks, and brick is used for making the pakka house. So next point you can write uh, next use. So uh, next one is the used for construction of both D. 4 point at least you have to write. The soil is used for construction of both kacha and pakka houses. So soil is used for construction of both kacha and the pakka houses. Kacha house is completely made up of the mud and pakka house is made of the soil bricks. Brick is formed by the soil. So in this way, soil is used for construction of both kacha and the pakka houses. So next one, third question, you can write what is the difference between soil and this between the sand and soil. Third question, what is difference between the sand and soil? So we can write next question. So what is difference between sand and soil? So see the page number. It is page number 66. It is written. It's question number third. This is question number third. So sand is barren as it cannot hold water. Hold water. And does not have any food for plants. Any food for plants. So here food means food plant food means here need of the humus, organic matter. So it does not contains the organic matter. So while soil is not barren, soil is not barren, while soil is not barren, it can hold it can hold water and contain humus and contain humus. So plants can grow in soil. So this is the third question. Sand difference between the sand and the soil. So sand is barren as it cannot hold water and does not have any food for plants. While soil is not barren, it can hold water and contain humus, so plants can grow in the soil. It is another matter that there are the different type of the soils. So different types of soil, fertility of the different fertility of different type of the soil is the varies. So in this way, different type of the soils are used for the different purposes. So next we have to solve question 4. Explain the three layers of soil. Which layer is good for the plants? Next one, the explain three layers of the soil. So we can write these questions next day. You have to solve only these questions in our the notebook. That's all for today.